Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Saad here, and you're gonna learn about handler is extensible. So, handler, what it does is make a trap for the anything. So, in this case, is object dot is extensible method. So, let's do it. So, what we're gonna do? Const Create a constant and monster 1, and after that use a property can evolve evolve and I'm gonna pass it as true. After that, when we done with that, now what we're gonna do, create a handler 1, and inside that we will pass is extensible and make it as an argument function and pass target. And now what we're gonna do, make it as a function, return reflect dot is extensible. When you do that, what it as actually do. I know you know it before that. So when we're done with that, after that, create another function called prevent extension. So play prevent and extension. After that, we will pass target and make it as a function. So what will be inside that is gonna target dot can evolve. Here if we pass that, it gonna say false. It will change that into false. After that, now what we're gonna do is return reflect dot prevent extension and pass the target. So I think as of now you will be know by now what we're gonna do. Create a const, as usual for proxies. So proxy 1 and equals, use the new operator and use the function, the constructor method, and pass monster 1 comma handler 1. When we're done with that, we will log it on a console first with object dot is extensible and pass proxy 1. When we pass that, it's gonna say true. So yeah, this is what it does. And now what I'm gonna do is, this is a trap for that, and now I'm gonna use the object dot prevent extension method and pass proxy 1. When we're done with that, log it on a console. Here's the object dot is extensible, and again pass the proxy 1. When we do that, it's gonna say false because we just did it. And now if we check like the if we check the monster1 dot can evolve, it might be getting false maybe. Let's check monster1 dot can evolve. If we check that, it's gonna say false. So it's true there and now false because it does that. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.